Hello everyone, I'm Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathlite. In this video we learn how to solve simultaneous linear equations by cross multiplication method. So to understand this method we'll consider an example. Over here I have written down a pair of linear equations. So we'll solve these linear equations with the help of cross multiplication method. Now there are 4 steps that we have to follow for this method. First step, check both the equations. Are they in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0? That is, all the terms will be in LHS. RHS mein there will be only 0. Okay, so bring it in that form. Both the equations over here we can see it is not in the required form. 3x minus 4y minus 2 equal to 0. First x वाला term, then y वाला term, then constant term equal to 0. Same thing over here. So minus 4x, if you shift over here it will become 4x. Y will remain as it is because it is already in LHS. 10 you will shift in LHS, so it will become minus 10 equal to 0. So now both the equations are in the required form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Second step, we'll write down the values of a, b and c for both the equations. Okay, so for first equation we'll consider a1 b1 c1. For second equation a2 b2 c2. So a1 b1 c1 and below that a2 b2 c2. Make sure you write it in this form. Okay, now a1 will be 3, b1 minus 4 and c1 minus 2. Don't forget the signs. If there is a negative sign, put that sign over here. Okay, otherwise your answer will go wrong. So over here 4, 2 minus 10. Okay, now second step is done. We wrote the values of a, b and c for both the equations. Now coming to the third step, that is formula. Okay, so there is one method, one formula that we have to follow over here. X, y, 1. Okay, so write this way, x, y, 1 equal to. So we have x upon something equal to y upon something equal to 1 upon something. Now this is the important part. Okay, so pay attention. Now x upon what will come over here, x के साथ जो कोएफिशिएंट होता है that is a always. Okay, x के साथ हमेशा जो कोएफिशिएंट होता है we wrote that over here, so वो a होता है. Forget a, for x you will forget a. b and c, go in this order, b and c. So b c. Okay, minus cb लिख दो, उल्टा कर दो. ओके, सो x के साथ a होता है तो forget a, go this way, b and c. So write down b c minus cb. Okay, reverse it. y के साथ जो कोएफिशिएंट होता है that is b. So forget b, what comes after b? c, and c के बाद again a. So c a, not ac, c a. Okay, b के बाद c आता है तो c a and now reverse it, a c. Okay, 1, that is constant. So constant वाला c होता है, forget c, go this way only. Okay, for all we are going like this only. So we are going like this. So a b and reverse it, b a. Now put 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 and you got the formula. Okay, so x upon something is equal to y upon something is equal to 1 upon something. Now how will you write these denominators? I'll repeat, x के साथ a होता है, forget a के बाद आएगा b and c, so bc and reverse it, minus cb. Then y upon, y के साथ b होता है तो b के बाद क्या आता है, c and a, so ca and reverse it, minus ac. Now comes constant. So constant क्या बच गया, a and b. So AB minus reverse it BA. Okay, then you will put 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 throughout. Now you just need to substitute the values and solve. So it's very easy. This is the way you can remember the formula. Okay, now we will substitute the values and find out the values of x and y. Okay, so B1 is minus 4. Be very careful while substituting. If you make one mistake, your answer will go wrong. C2 is minus 10. C1 is minus 2. Put brackets because यहाँ पे बीच में minus sign आ रहा है. Okay, and B2 is 2. Y upon C1 is minus 2. A2 is 4. A1 is 3 and C2 is minus 10. A1 is 3, B2 is 2, B1 is minus 4 and A2 is 4. Okay, so now minus into minus gives plus and 4 into 10 gives 40, so plus 40. Okay, minus into minus gives plus, 2 2s are 4. Minus into plus gives minus, 2 4s are 8. Minus into minus gives plus 30. 3 2s are 6 and minus plus हो जाएगा, 4 4s are 16. So x upon 44 is equal to y upon 30 minus 8 कितना हो जाएगा, 22. And 6 plus 16 gives 22. Now fourth step में है solve. We solved this and equate. Okay, so we'll equate, that is x upon something we'll take it equal to 1 upon something and y upon something equal to 1 upon something. Okay, so we'll equate x with the constant and y with the constant part. Okay, and then you will get the values of x and y. So let us equate. So x upon 44 is equal to 1 upon 22. Shifting 44, so x is equal to 2. Okay, similarly y upon 22 is equal to 1 upon 22. So y is equal to 22 यहाँ पे ही cancel हो सकता है, or you can shift it, so it will become 22 upon 22, that is 1. Okay, so x का value 2 मिला, y का value 1 मिला. Okay, so then you will write down the final answer, x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 and box it. Alright, so very important, you need to remember the formula. Alright, so 4 steps है. First, bring it in the normal form, all the terms in LHS. Second, write down A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 in this order only. Okay, third step, formula. I have shown you how to remember the formula. फोर्थ स्टेप यू विल सॉल्व एंड इक्वेट. एक्स को कांस्टेंट टर्म के साथ इक्वेट करेंगे, वाई को कांस्टेंट टर्म के साथ इक्वेट करेंगे एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स एंड वाई.